When Tracy started with us as the occupational therapist, we wanted to look at plans that we could have in order to develop therapeutic activity
that patients are able to engage in during the time behind the cells.
So Tracy came up with the ideas around looking at in-cell activities. She liaised with some of the prison staff around what are the kind of things that might be helpful to have in that. And also to link in with some of the education departments so that we were providing as much sort of variety within those packs as we possibly could.
So it's kind of short stories, interesting facts, word searches, Sudoku puzzles, kind of word games, and it also included kind of tips, so things like physical health, why is it important, why should you engage in physical health. Also looking at kind of relaxation tips, so thinking about kind of breathing exercises that they can do within their cell if they're getting kind of stressed or feeling anxiety. They're able to kind of continue using relaxation tips, and that's the same for mindfulness techniques as well.
They're also being used on the First Night Centre. That's for guys that are just coming into prison. Due to the situations they're finding themselves in, it's a good distraction for them to get through that first night, coping with the stresses and strains of going through the court procedures and trying to get their heads around the situations they're in.
So here are some quotes that patients have provided on the in-cell activity packs. I found the in-cell activity packs a fun way to pass some time in my cell. I like to draw and found that they inspired me to do other things. I also think in-cell education would be more purposeful and help towards qualifications for my release. Word searches, as they helped pass the time, and the reading I really enjoyed. And finally, I think this pack is good for the mind.
Although it was designed for healthcare, it's got a lot of applications throughout the jail, and we're looking at maybe developing a bit further and using it as a brilliant foundation to take certain aspects of it and maybe look at doing a pack for prisoners with learning disabilities.